Hi guys, emassey here, and right off the bat, I'd like to bribe you with a reason, a good reason to come back to this site. It's pretty much in its infancy at this point, in the very beginning stages. And let me first of all tell you what this whole thing is about, and then I'm going to offer you a couple of free goodies that I'm in the process of putting together, just for you to opt in. And I'm going to make it worth your time to come back here and stick with me. First of all, you're going to notice the name of this little project, as I have termed it, called the Emmett Massey Response Project. And I'm Emmett Massey, the guy speaking here. You see my mug right here, right on my website. And I'm kind of your marketing tour guide. I'm the dude that's going to take you on a magical mystery marketing ride that you'll never forget. I'm going to make it fun, entertaining, and hopefully instructive for all of us. And I'm sort of using myself as a guinea pig to test out what is working and what is not working. So I'm right there under the spotlight, if you will, with my little project. And I'm going to share what's been working with things that I've tested and tried and things that have not. I'm pretty much starting this on an absolute bootstrap shoestring, if you will. I don't even have a web host at this particular point. I'm going through Weebly.com, which is the first little free tool that you may want to take advantage of. It's a great place to start if you don't want to spend out a bunch of money. Not that it's a bunch of money anyway, but if you're really seriously bootstrapping like I am, Weebly.com is a great site. I've been very impressed with it right off the bat. So first thing I want you to do is to click on free stuff, and you noticed coming soon I'm in the process of putting together some really cool business tools that I think are going to really benefit you. One is a little audio tool that will allow you to FTP to your real website, if you have one. Is a little audio tool that will create a icon where you can record your voice. It's a great promotional tool to use, and literally put it right on your website. That's going to be one tool. Now, another tool is a special presentation of a book written by Claude Hopkins, Scientific Advertising. And if you've been around advertising, and particularly direct response advertising, for any length of time at all, you're going to hear and know his name. Now, what makes mine a little unique and a little different is it has a plethora of free swipe ads, ads that you can use in your swipe file. Of course, the swipe file is a collection of proven control ads that have been tested. They've been running in some cases for years and years and years, and the whole point of that is to generate ideas for your own particular projects. Well, my special edition of this book includes quite a few of his ads from way back when. It's no secret that you can download the book just about anywhere, but you will not be able to download the book that has illustrations of his ads. And so anyway, I think that's a real good bribe to get you to sign up and let me put you on my notification list, so there'll be other cool tools available, in addition to the couple that I've told you about. And I'm going to sneak another one in, and it's just a totally surprise. It's something that you're going to be truly amazed by, one of the late great marketers of our time, of the 21st century. And I'm not even going to tell you his name, but I promise you will really, really dig this. And they're all downloadable. I'll show you where the download site is as soon as you opt in or log in. So with that having been said, I'll point out a couple other features. I'm including a blog here too. This is kind of the blog is the space where I sort of share a little bit of random thoughts about different experiences and how they tie into marketing and things of that nature. So that's a little bit where I call it the fun part of the blog, or part of the website actually, is that it may not directly, verbatimly apply to direct response marketing or success or any of those things, but it's it's a good observation and it's a good learning tool nevertheless. In fact, the very first one has to do with the rock band Rush, who happens to be one of my all-time favorite bands. And I'm an old drummer from 20 years ago or so, and I still play drums some. And Neil Peart is one of my favorite drummers, as well as that is a tight band. So I've included a special little, as you scroll down to the bottom, a little YouTube of a guy that has made a animated tribute to Rush and to Neil Peart as a wrapped into one song called YYZ. I'm sorry. But anyway, I think you'll enjoy that. At least I hope so. But anyway, that's a little bit of an introduction of the emassey Response Project, and I do hope that you'll opt in. I forbade spam. I hate it. I've ate it before, but as far as when it has to do with internet marketing, I think it's a piss poor way to do business, and I do not subscribe to that concept. So anytime you want to opt out, you can do so very simply and easily. And I hope to make this a very interesting little project for us. So with that having been said, I'm going to sign off. I look to see you on the other side, and stay tuned as I continue to add things to this website. Thanks for joining me.